Well, here we are, Palma De Mallorca Airport, and if you want to get the bus to the terminal, you need to walk from across the terminal, across the other side there, and the other side there is the buses. So we're going to walk that way, and I'll show you how to get to the cruise port cheap way. This is the A1 bus to the cruise port. You have to stop and change on the way, so this gets you half the way, and then you stop, you change, get another bus which is the number 1, and that will take you down to the cruise port. So you literally walk from the terminal over there to across here. On the bus now, going to the last 4 stops. Right, just got off the A1 and we're at the bus stop to go for number 1 now, down to the cruise port. So if you remember that. And you can see down here, it goes all the way down. Here we are, heading to the cruise port. We'll see all the big ships over there, hopefully. A good view on the bus. Yachts up there. The number 1 bus that brings you to the terminal. There's cruise terminals over there. So it's that simple. So you get your bearings and that, so you know where you can get off. Palma De Mallorca. Checking in Palma is here, EM6, not EM1 as they say for Costa Pacifica. So please check where you're going from the port they docked. If not, you're going to cause yourself a long way around like I just did, because they changed the numbers. Checking in Palma is here, EM6, not EM1 as they say for Costa Pacifica. So please check where you're going from the port they docked. If not, you're going to cause yourself a long way around like I just did, because they changed the numbers. This is check-in. If you're lucky enough, you get 3 PM check-in. But you can come here early and just sit and wait, because I know some of the flights from Gatwick and that, they come in at 10 o'clock. By the time you've got the bus or taxi, it's a long time round.